How to fix insufficient funds Google Play error message. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are also facing this error where it says insufficient fund when you try to buy or purchase any product in your Google Play Store even though you have sufficient fund in your account, I've got your back. So first, go to your Play Store and then make sure to have the latest version. Tap on your account. After that, go to settings. Now go to about and now tap on update Play Store if you do not have the updated version. After that, go to settings. Then go to apps. Scroll down and find Google Play Store. Then on your storage section, tap on clear cache and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.